Hello. Let's try it. Do you like? Try it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all 3 low-carb smoothie recipes that are also meal replacement that I love to make. I'm going to show y'all how to make a strawberry dreamsicle smoothie, a strawberry banana energy smoothie, and my personal favorite, which is a peanut butter and jelly energy smoothie. So without further ado, let's get into some smoothie making. For the strawberry dreamsicle smoothie, you will need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of ice, 1½ teaspoons of orange vanilla Mio, 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cake batter or vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and a pinch of salt. For the strawberry banana energy smoothie, you will need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of ice, 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of banana extract, 1 teaspoon of strawberry pineapple smash Mio Energy. If you want this smoothie to be caffeine-free, replace the Energy Mio ingredient with regular strawberry watermelon Mio. 1/2 teaspoon of liquid stevia, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and a pinch of salt. For the PB&J Energy Smoothie, you will need 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of ice, 4 tablespoons of hemp seeds, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1/4 teaspoon of liquid stevia, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of strawberry pineapple smash Mio Energy. To make this one caffeine-free, substitute the same strawberry watermelon Mio ingredient as we did for the strawberry banana smoothie. 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and 1 cup of almond milk. Overall, these smoothies are super easy to make and great for anyone doing a low carb or keto diet. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and more importantly, I hope y'all enjoy making and drinking these smoothies. If you try these out, please let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like this content and would like to see more content like this. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video, and don't forget to thank God for waking up this morning.